And special thanks to our friends at EastPin who were nice enough to send us these heavy-duty storage strips. It's either flexible, stretches to fit over objects, waterproof for indoors and outdoors, and multi-purpose. Organize more than just cables. So let's open it up and take a look at it here. That's it for the box. And so you can see they Velcro, very nice. If you had something that you needed to hang, you'd be able to hang it around this, and then you could just hook this onto a hook somewhere, like in your garage. For example, drills and stuff, you could put this around the drill and then hang it somewhere if you would like. They do give you a nice variety. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, which is these are like 2 mediums, these are like 2 large, and then these are like 2 small. So it'd be great for organizing your garage, or something that might be easier to hang up on a hook. You'd be able to just Velcro it right on and then hang it on a hook. And I'm using like all my strength and it's not going anywhere. So very, very nice job from EastPin with these heavy duty storage strips. Thanks again to EastPin, who was nice enough to send these heavy duty storage strips to me to unbox and show you what you get here. They're definitely very high quality. Would not see this ripping, would not see it breaking. And this Velcro is very, very strong and nice and easy to pull off. Really like these. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.